Oh yeah, got one. Got one. Yeah. What is up, YouTube? We're at the pond and we're gonna be fishing for some peacocks. Trey's with me and I'm gonna give you guys 3 reasons why you're not catching peacocks. All right, the first rule when catching peacocks is, of course, what lure are you using? Now, that all depends on where you're at, but in general, you're gonna wanna stay away from soft plastic worms. You're gonna wanna stay away from creature baits, anything of that sort. You're gonna want something that represents a fish, like a crankbait or a jerkbait, something that literally looks like a fish. I use swim baits, I use jerk baits, I use crankbaits, and they will also hit topwater. But stay away from soft plastic worms and soft plastic creature baits and things that you kind of drag on the bottom. So when it comes to colors, I like to go with a orange or a gold. Yeah, like colors that would represent a shiner, natural colors. You don't want anything too crazy. Just natural colors like gold, orange, something that looks like a shiner. Now, peacock bass, their natural prey are Mayan cichlids, and Mayan cichlids are gold. That's why I like to use something that's gold. The next rule that you gotta do to improve your game on peacock fishing is have a leader. So Trey actually caught, how many peacocks did you catch today?
2.
He caught 2 today. And what pound leader were you using?
I was using 25.
He was using 25 pound fluorocarbon.
No,
That's
I was using 25 mono.
Mono, yeah. So that was just mono. But I use 16 pound mono. Fluorocarbon, just don't use straight braid. They can see the line. So use fluorocarbon or monofilament. The next thing is be persistent on their nests. So Trey, on the 2 you caught, were you not on a nest? Were you not?
I was on a bed.
He was provoking the peacocks. They were in their beds. And how many times did you say you would have to cast to catch both of those?
70 times.
Yeah, you gotta keep casting.
Oh my gosh.
You know, wow, dude, you really got that tangled. When peacocks don't want to eat, they will still hit. They will still try to kill things just because they're territorial. So you wanna have them just instinctively attack the bait and end up getting hooked. Make sure you're being persistent on those beds and just keep driving them nuts. So let's go use those tips. Let's go use those methods and catch some fish. Also, sorry for the noise. I'm right next to a road. Wow, we're here at the pond. And it is definitely cloudy from all the rain. Oh, wow. Who's like... I think I'm going to start with a straight retrieve just to see if there's any peacocks in this location. See if I can't find any flashes. Just using this like a crankbait to find any locations of peacocks. See if there's any around. Yeah, there's so much rain, it might have switched everything up. Dude, it's so murky from that rain. Order of how the pond was behaving. So I'm using monofilament in the line. I'm not using straight braid. And I got on here gold. Right there. So that's the peacocks. That's their favorite color. Also, sorry for the noise. I'm right by a road. Awesome, dude. Peacock? Trey just got another largemouth. I know, that's what I've noticed. They're down deep. I'm using a jerk bait, so it's not.
This is deep pond.
Yeah, I might have to switch to a rattle trap.
I would. Do you have a leader?
It's all mono.
Oh, 19 Get a hit? Did you get a hit?
Yeah. All right, so new game plan. I'm going to get a gold lipless crankbait, something that goes deeper, because we figured out the fish are deeper, so we gotta adapt and overcome, and just go with a lure that helps it that dives deep. So yeah. So Trey caught 2 peacocks on that, and you know that's something. It's not a soft plastic. That's something that looks like a fish, and they'll hit that because it looks like a fish.
It's like some Kevin Van Dam.
Yeah.
Don't even remember the color, but
Yeah, it looks like a fish, so they're going to hit it. All right, I'm throwing this on right here.
When he runs, he looks like he's jogging.
Yeah, I know. Peacock's right here.
What did I say, bro?
First cast, bro.
Had to switch to
First cast. Dang, bro. Did you see
down in the
that?
middle, yeah. They're not going nowhere.
I know.
Go right there, get ready.
No, I saw him swim that way.
Crazy, are you?
Yeah, hold on. So we changed up our lure, something a little bit deeper.
I thought I saw it right there.
Dang, bro.
You sold the bag.
I didn't sell the bag. I think I retrieved it too fast.
No, it saw us and got spooked.
Yeah. Came right up to the surface, though. Yeah, we know they're hitting this, though. That's the thing. They're not on their nests. Have you noticed that? I don't.
Dude, no way.
What? Oh, yeah, got one. Got one. Yep. Right there, just like that. Just like that. Man, these treble hooks are scary. Alrighty, beautiful fish. Look at that black. Beautiful fish. We did exactly what, yeah, beautiful fish. It's a good one, man. Look at that. And we just, you know, those gold colors, something that looks like a fish, you know, keep repeating it over and over again. We were using our mono, and we eventually caught one.
You eventually caught one.
Yeah, he caught 2, but he was using the same thing. Yeah, we found that in the water. Anyway, hope y'all liked the video. Hope you found it helpful, and have a good one.